Hi, welcome to Triple T. Did you really think that I was gonna say Thursday tips and tricks every time? Remember last time we were talking about this little software that can help you move your designs on your artboard much more easily by adjusting your nudge values? The link for the previous video is in the description below so you can check it out. This time I have something completely different. This time I'm talking about Sketch plugin, which can help randomize the sizes of your design elements. Stay with me. In the previous Triple T, we were talking about moving your designs according to the grid. If you remember the project, it was with this car and some charts and bar graphs. Let's fire it up again. Okay, here we have this bar graph. Very simple, but pretty time-consuming to recreate. I'm going to show you how to recreate this with the plugin that I was talking about. Okay, so first of all, let's go on Google and say Randomize Sketch. The first one is a GitHub link. You open the GitHub link and you download the plugin as a zip, save it, open it up, open up the folder, and like that you have installed the plugin. Okay, so I guess I had it already, so I'm just gonna go replace it. Okay, now I'm gonna create a rectangle. I'm gonna create one and I'm gonna say 24 and 40. Now like this, you have one of those. You want to duplicate this, and I'm gonna say that the distance is going to be 8 pixels. Now I have 8 of those. What I'm gonna do now is select all of them, go plugins, random size, randomly size, and this is the place where you pick the dimension that you want to resize. This time I want to do height, so I'm gonna choose height from this drop down menu. Okay, now you can limit those random numbers, which is a very awesome feature. So I'm gonna say I want the highest one to be 80 and the lowest one to be 2. So these 8 are going to be anywhere between 2 and 80. So they might not be 2 and they might not be 80. Like this, we have randomized our bar graph. From this, you can go change the colors. You can maybe color the highest one with this nice shade of red. The lowest one you can color with this nice little shade of blue. This one is much better. Okay, so basically this is it. Now I want to show you something else that you can do with this plugin. For example, I'm not sure actually how it's called, but this is a type of filter. I'm just gonna go for square onboarding, and here I'm gonna show you what I mean. It's this type of filter, so you can select the things that you want. As you can see, the cells are pretty much the same height, but the width is different based on the text which is inside, which is awesome. We can recreate this very easily. First of all, we go and create another rectangle, and we say, I don't know, 40 width again, and the height is going to be 24 this time. Now we're gonna duplicate this bad boy again. Let's say this is enough, and then we go randomly size again, and we say width, and we say that the upper limit is going to be 104 and the lower limit is going to be 16, and we go OK, and we get a bunch of randomly sized rectangles, which is fine like this, but it needs to be adjusted. Now you can do this manually, or you can, if you for example have installed the auto layout plugin, you just create a stacked group and assign a value, let's say 8 pixels in between. There is the same distance between every one of those. This way you can easily recreate this, then you can add the text and the numbers, and that's basically it. I really appreciate that you guys are watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!